An SNMP trap can be set for new devices as the DMNX server is discovering them, or after they have been discovered. This allows administrators to ensure that each device is configured to report data to the DMNX enterprise server. When doing a device discovery, an SNMP trap can be configured on the device. To enable the function, go to Discovery and Polling, select the Network Search List, select a saved network search, and select Auto Settings. Check the checkbox for Enable SNMP Trap. Finally, save the network search. For devices that have been previously discovered, you must create a Standard Device Preferences template. Go to Configuration, Standard Device Preferences, select the plus to add a template. Give the template a name. For training purposes, we are using Set SNMP Trap for our template name, and our description will be Already Discovered Devices. We have the ability to select a specific security group, but if we leave it blank, this template will apply to all security groups. Be sure Create a Blank Template is selected. Select the Standard Device Preferences tab, select SNMP, and then select the checkbox for Enable Quick Configuration. Select the SNMP profile name. In our case, we're selecting the default profile, but if your customer has custom SNMP profiles, select the appropriate one from the drop-down list. Then select the checkbox for Enable SNMP Traps for DMNX. Save the template. Next, you will need to create a configuration task. Select Configuration Task and select the plus to add a new configuration task. For training purposes, we are using the same name and description that we used for the template. Select the Apply radio button. Select the Template tab. Click the symbol in the upper left corner of the lower window to open the Select Target Template window. Select the template called Set SNMP Trap from the template list and click the right arrow to move it to the target template list. Then select OK. In the next tab, Target Devices or Groups, select the Add Target Group button to add a device group. At this point, you can add devices by IP address, model type, or location groups. For training purposes, we will select one IP address subnet and two location groups. Once all devices and groups are moved to the target group, select OK. In addition to adding devices by group, you can add individual devices by selecting the Add Device button and selecting which group you are targeting. All the devices in that group will be displayed, and you can select the individual devices you want to add to the target device list. Once you have added all the device groups and individual devices, save the configuration task. The task can be scheduled by selecting the Schedule tab and by deselecting the Disable Schedule checkbox. The task can then be scheduled to run daily, weekly, monthly, or at another specific interval. If you choose to run the task immediately, simply select the Run Task button. This concludes the section on setting SNMP traps.